Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a prep and pack with me video. I've done quite a few videos like these in the past, but today I am gonna be packing and prepping to get married. Today is one full day that I have, and tomorrow's full day is all that I have to really prep, because tomorrow late at night we are flying to our wedding destination. What the destination is, more details about all of that will be on my second channel, Mridul and Aditya. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel, because there are so many videos lined up for you guys. So yeah, today I do really intend on getting most of my packing done in like a few hours. I'm feeling very confident. I've already made a list, which is honestly the way to go. This diary right here has been my wedding planner, wedding diary almost. Planner to nahi, wedding diary you could say. I've been writing everything that I want to get done, right from the decor, like ekdam pehle ke phase se, right to making my packing list, writing down how I'm feeling, which is why there's a lock on here. I got this from Amazon. In case you're interested, I'll link it down below. I think it's so cute and I will be saving this diary forever and ever. So honestly, packing list काफी straightforward है, कुछ ऐसा अलग नहीं है than usually when I'm traveling. थोड़ा सा अलग है obviously, but it's quite similar. So as always, I'm going to open up my suitcases, start dumping everything that's in my list, and then sit down and organize it. I never really anticipated saying this, but come pack with me to get married. ओके सो आई एम नॉट एंटायरली सक्सेसफुल. इसमें मेरा मेन लहंगा आ गया. आई थिंक इसमें मेहंदी वाला है और इसमें है संगीत वाला. ये वाले में मेरा हल्दी का आउटफिट है, बट हाफ ऑफ द बैग इज़ एम्प्टी. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू फिट 3 bags में 4 outfits, बट वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट ठीक है, आई कैन ऐड मोर स्टफ हियर एंड these are my bags for now. Okay, so please ignore my room in the backdrop. It is really stressing me out, which is also another reason why I am packing in the hall, because the hall is spacious, it's clean. Taking a little break from the packing of the bags because mostly sab ho chuka hai. I want to pack some makeup now. I am really excited to pack my makeup in this vanity case, but I think it is a little too bulky. But you can attach this on top of your bag, like your carry-on bag. So I do want to pack in this, but I don't know if I should or shouldn't. It's so cute. Okay, so a close-up for you guys. It's full hard case, and then it comes with different pouches inside, sections also, and it also comes with a mirror which you can attach. And एक strap भी है, और यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे compartments है. I don't know if I should pack in this or not. I'm so confused. You know what? We'll decide later किस में pack करना है. Okay, so I've decided to go ahead with this case only for my makeup, my skincare, my perfume, all in one. सब कुछ इसमें ही डालूंगी मैं. Starting off with skincare, I have been asked to start using all of these products for the last few days so that I'm not like messing around with my skin. These are super safe products according to my dermat. Adding these eye patches for some hydration. ये एक माइसेला वाटर है that is recommended to me by my dermat. मेरा जो बायोडर्मा है that is too big to fit in this carry-on, so I'll put it in the main luggage. And a lip balm, keeping it very very simple. So for makeup, I am going to be carrying quite a few different options because मैं मेरा makeup करने वाली हूँ 2 events के लिए. So it's just better to have options, I feel. Definitely need to add more lipsticks. Abhi ke liye I'm just adding one. Adding my perfume that I'm gonna be wearing for all the events right here. Oh, I had ordered some products from Nykaa. Lots of lip liners, so just adding all of those as well. I'm contemplating if I should add some lashes. I think let's just add 2 to be on the safer side. Makeup all done. I do actually need to clean up my brushes and my sponges. Let's quickly do that, get it out of the way. Kal tak wo pakka sook jayenge, so I can add them into this compartment carry on thing. I don't know what to call it, but there's a lot of space still left, so I could be adding more stuff. We have already packed our makeup. Let's pack the toiletries kit. Is baar ka toiletries kit is going to be a little intense. Lens solution, extra lenses. I think I'll add 1 more. We'll keep 2 extras. Extra lens ki dibbi. Adding my toothpaste and my flosser. Usually I don't travel with this, but I think it makes sense for me to travel with these for the wedding. Carrying 2 body washes, one which is a super cleansing one, and this one is a very moisturizing one. Guys, I need options for that day. What can I say? बॉडी बटर बूम बूम क्रीम ही लगाने वाली हूँ मैं. डिओड्रेंट मस्ट हैव फॉर श्योर. Shampoo, conditioner, these are just my travel ones. I don't really actually use Olaplex. I've bought it, so might as well I'll use it, and it works fine. Toothpaste. Oh, I'm carrying a razor just in case, and a gua sha. Okay, so I also need to pack a period kit because guess what is my period date? It's supposed to come 1 day before I get married. वो दिन पे भी events होने वाले, functions है वो दिन. According to the app, okay, I'm just hopeful कि या तो शादी के बाद आ जाए या तो पहले अभी आ जाए, आज आ जाए, कल आ जाए, परसों आ जाए. डोंट माइंड इट एट ऑल. सिर्फ वो टाइम पे नहीं आने चाहिए बिकॉज आई पर्सनली डोंट डील विथ पीरियड्स वेरी वेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट इट्स वेरी पेनफुल फॉर मी. मुझे लूज मोशंस हो जाते हैं, मुझे वॉमिटिंग होती है. ऑब्वियसली मैं दवा ले सकती हूँ. सो एक्चुअली इसमें आई क्विकली शेयर विथ यू गाइज अ बैक स्टोरी. सो आई वॉज रिकमेंडेड दैट आई शुड गो टू अ गायनैक एंड दे वुड रिकमेंड मी अ दवा दैट हेल्प्स यू डिले द पीरियड. सो मैं गई गायनैक के पास. शी रिकमेंडेड मी ऑल्सो अ पिल विच आई वॉज सपोज टू स्टार्ट टेकिंग, एंड आई जस्ट थॉट I should maybe consult with my dermat just in case because those are hormonal dawaiya. So I was just scared for my skin. Thankfully I did spoke to Dr. Puneet and he told me कि इससे तुझे पक्का acne होगा ही या तो breakouts तो होंगे. And to me, if I have to choose between the two, period pain या तो clear skin, I will pick clear skin and I will suffer with periods. So that is what I've gone ahead with. I do feel like कि मुझे periods आने वाले, like मेरा पेट कल से दर्द हो रहा है. So here's hoping that मुझे सच्ची आ जाए periods. Even before the event start, it will be a dream. But in case मुझे वो events के time पे भी आए periods, तो I am prepared mentally कि कुछ नहीं होगा, सब सही होगा, जो होगा अच्छा होगा. I just need to be mentally strong. It will be fine. Let's make our period kit just in case. So here are my absolute essentials. पीरियड पैंटी, इसके मैं 2 से 3 पैक लेके जाऊंगी बिकॉज दिस इज वॉट मेक्स मी फील सो कम्फर्टेबल. आई एम जस्ट कैरिंग रेगुलर पैड्स ऑल्सो जस्ट इन केस. यहाँ पे है अजवाइन जहाज बोला की बॉटल में. Then we have this oil. So this oil I've gotten from Thailand. This is really good for putting it on your stomach or honestly any kind of pain that you have. ये है Sirona के patches that I apply both on my stomach, on my back also. Really makes me feel a lot better. And then of course my beloved heating pad. Other than all of this, I will also be adding my period ka pain medicine that a doctor has actually recommended to me. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding all of this in. So I just wanted to go through this little box of things that I have been accumulating. So ये box मैंने corner of the room में रख दिया था, and every time I feel like I want to take this particular thing with me to the wedding location, I add it in here. So let's go through it. My mom actually just added this morning. So this is a gel face mask which is supposed to refrigerate and wear it before you do your makeup or just to depuff your face. Definitely taking this with me. Oh, then we have Alexa. मैंने सोचा था कि मैं Alexa लेके जाती हूँ so that while all of us are getting ready, we can connect this and play music. So definitely adding this as well. Straightener. obviously, even though of course Ami is coming with me. I'm just carrying it just in case because I'm going 2 days before everyone else, so just in case I need to do curls or straighten my hair, I have this right here. This is really cute. Okay, so this is a cord set, shorts with a cute top, and this is made out of my nani's sari. So I just thought that I could maybe wear this sometime since I am reaching early. At some point मैं ये पहन लूँगी. I just thought it needed to be added. Of course, we have Pure Seduction. This has been my classic scent for like 10 years. So I want this to be there with me. Of course, I do have another perfume that I've picked up, but तो भी मुझे ये लेके जाना है. Sunglasses, thank God. If I wouldn't have remembered to add these पहले, मुझे आज बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं रहता. ये 2 पेयर ऐड किए मैंने, but I feel like I need to add more. This right here. Okay, so this was something that was gifted to me in the mystery box, subscriber mystery box video, to add all the Polaroids. It's an album. Taking this also with me. We have some chia seeds. Actually, इसमें बहुत सारे snacks हैं. My dad has actually made a separate bag just for my snacks. So I'll give it to him so that he can add it in there. Okay, so it is the next day. Yesterday mostly सारा packing हो गया था, but bag में डालना बाकी रह गया था. Like I had pulled it out and kept it on the bed, but properly pack नहीं किया था. So right now mom and I did that. Greatest help. She was able to pack everything so quickly. Now I just need to pack my carry-on. Not my carry-on, my purse that I'm going to be carrying with me. By the way, just tried on my outfit for the airport. So this is a denim jacket that is customized, and you guys have to see the back. Guys, you need to check out this jacket that I was wearing. So this is the customized jacket, denim jacket, that is made by an Instagram store जिसको मैं link कर दूँगी. It says Dulhania right here, and just look at this beautiful work that they've done. I've gotten one made for Aditya as well. So the front looks like this, very very cool. I feel like this is something that he can reuse as well. And the back says Dulha. By the way, ये patches मैं निकाल सकती हूँ, so that this is something that I can use even after the wedding. Okay, so this is the bag that I'm gonna be carrying to the airport. Holds a lot of stuff, and this is my go-to airport bag. Also, ये video बिल्कुल भी aesthetic नहीं होने वाली है, because just look at the mess. But this is the true reality. शादी का घर है ये. It's just chaotic, and no matter how much I try, there's nothing that I can really do about it. सबसे पहली और सबसे important चीज is my period kit जो हमने कल बनाई थी. Next I'm adding this Krishna Chalisa. Anyway stays in my bag, but there's also a picture of Ganpati Bappa. ये हमेशा मेरे बैग में anyway रहता ही है. This has all of my chargers, my wires, my cords, earphones, all of that. Also adding very very important, a power bank. सबसे important है ये चीज, मेरा tripod. Absolutely cannot do without my wedding diary that I've been using regularly. I believe with that we have come towards the end of the video. It was a very short, sweet video. Honestly, इतना मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं हुआ पैकिंग के बारे में. बहुत फास्ट हो गया ये पैकिंग. आई थिंक मैंने मुश्किल से 3 to 4 hours स्पेंड किया था ये पूरे पैकिंग प्रोसीजर पे. Of course, it was split between 2 days because I couldn't do everything yesterday. But in case you're wondering, I am leaving tomorrow morning, early morning, and hasn't sinked in at all. Like I just feel like I'm going on some trip, like an exciting trip, something like that. Like ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ मुझे बहुत नर्वस नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे ऑफ कोर्स आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, आई एम एक्साइटेड दैट माई एंटायर फैमिली इज गोना बी देयर, बट मुझे वो हिट नहीं हो रहा है दैट व्हेन आई कम बैक टू दिस हाउस आई will be married. So that is something to think about. I don't think about it too much. दोपहर को जब मैंने नैप लिया था तब मुझे ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा था, but I just trying not to like stress about it. It's all fine. It's all cool. I just hope I've packed everything and I haven't forgotten anything. I don't think so. ये packing वाला video मैं course कोई outfits नहीं दिखा पाए आपको because all of that you guys will see soon and this video will be posted right when the festivities begin. Yeah, so that's basically it. I will see you guys in my next video. There are lots and lots of videos that are coming. They're pre-planned and they're posted, they're scheduled. So make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram because there's so much more content coming there. Make sure you're following Mridul and Aditya because वहाँ पे बहुत सारे raw real vlogs है. And that's basically it. I'll see you very very soon. Bye.